Today, enterprise AI is at a turning point. The ambition is real, but too many initiatives never reach production and even fewer scale. The issue isn't AI's potential. It is the organization's readiness to apply it where it matters most. The barrier isn't just data, it's process debt. Enterprises lack clarity on where AI should step in, where agents will truly help, and which opportunities will actually scale. Traditional process mining wasn't built for the AI moment. While it can spot RPA and lean fixes, it doesn't show where high-value AI or agentic work belongs, or what to do next. Even when these tools generate outputs, teams still have to interpret complex maps, translate them into value, and pick the right intervention. That manual effort slows decisions, adds risk, and makes scaling tough. Today, organizations cannot wait weeks for clarity. They need sharp priorities and decision-ready recommendations fast so they can turn operational reality into real AI value. That's why Cognizant built Process Scan as part of its AI readiness for business operations offering. It automatically pinpoints AI-specific interventions and turns process insight into clear actions, showing where AI, agents, RPA, or lean will make the biggest difference. Process Scan is built for AI readiness, so organizations get a clear call on agents versus RPA versus lean in minutes. Using SLMs, zero-shot models, and context libraries, it identifies intervention hotspots in real workflows and recommends fit-for-purpose actions across complex enterprise processes. This is not generic automation analysis. It is AI-specific decision intelligence. The solution also produces a clear report showing which agents add value, and where, including the role, intervention type, and the reason for each of the recommendations. And with code generation for agent prototypes, teams can move from idea to proof of value quickly. Underneath it all, Process Scan evaluates complexity, hidden inefficiencies, variation, and automation hotspots. It helps organizations see operational reality clearly, identify needs for intervention, and build a credible path toward agentic operations. The result is a faster path from strategy to execution. Enterprises move from ambition to action, pilots to enterprise scale, and from experimentation to measurable value, with greater speed, confidence, and control. When process debt is addressed, AI stops being a series of disconnected experiments and becomes a scalable engine for transformation. Process Scan helps enterprises choose the right interventions, decide faster, and scale responsible AI value. Ready to move from AI ambition to enterprise scale impact? Start with the Process Scan assessment.